Have you ever walked into a store and wondered, how do they always seem to have exactly what you need? Not too much stuff collecting dust on shelves, and not too little that they're always out of stock? That balance? It's not luck. There's actually a formula behind it. It's called EOQ, Economic Order Quantity. And in the next 8 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly what it is, how it works, and why businesses around the world rely on it. No textbook jargon. Just simple, clear examples. Let's get into it. Part 1. The problem EOQ solves. Let's start with a simple story. Imagine you own a small coffee shop. You sell about 100 bags of coffee beans every month. Now, you have two options for ordering your supply. Option A, you order a huge shipment once a year. 1,200 bags all at once. That means you only pay shipping costs one time. Sounds smart, right? But here's the problem. Where are you storing 1,200 bags of coffee? You'd need a giant storage room, and coffee goes stale. You'd be losing money on spoilage and wasted space. Option B. You order 100 bags every single month. Your storage cost is tiny, but now you're paying shipping fees 12 times a year. Those costs add up fast. So what's the sweet spot? How much should you order, and how often? That's exactly the question EOQ is designed to answer. Part 2. What is EOQ? EOQ stands for Economic Order Quantity. In plain English, it's the ideal order size that minimizes your total inventory costs. There are two costs EOQ tries to balance. Number 1, ordering costs. These are the costs you incur every time you place an order. Things like shipping fees, processing paperwork, or the time your staff spends coordinating the delivery. The more frequently you order, the higher these costs. Number 2, holding costs, also called carrying costs. This is what it costs you to store inventory. Warehouse rent, insurance, spoilage, or just the money you've tied up in product sitting on a shelf. The more inventory you hold, the higher these costs. EOQ finds the point where these two costs are perfectly balanced. The total cost is at its lowest. That's your sweet spot. Part 3. The EOQ formula. Now let's look at the formula. Don't worry, we'll walk through it together with real numbers. EOQ formula. EOQ equals the square root of 2 times D times S, divided by HD equals annual demand, how many units you sell per year. S equals ordering cost per order, cost to place one order. H equals holding cost per unit per year, cost to store 1 unit for a year. Let's plug in some real numbers using our coffee shop example. Our coffee shop sells 1,200 bags of coffee per year, so D equals 1,200. Every time we place an order, it costs us $50 in shipping and admin, so S equals 50. And it costs us $2 per bag per year to store the coffee, so H equals 2. Now let's do the math. Step-by-step calculation. Step 1. 2 times 1,200 times 50 equals 120,000. Step 2. 120,000 divided by 2 equals 60,000. Step 3. Square root of 60,000 equals 245 bags, approximately. EOQ equals 245 bags per order. So the optimal order quantity for our coffee shop is 245 bags. Instead of ordering 1,200 bags once a year or 100 bags every month, we order 245 bags roughly every 2.5 months. That's our sweet spot. Part 4. Why EOQ matters in the real world. Now you might be thinking, does this actually matter? Is this just a textbook concept? Absolutely not. EOQ is used every single day by companies of all sizes. Think about a supermarket chain like Walmart. They carry thousands of products. If they overorder even slightly on each one, the cost of holding that extra inventory adds up to millions of dollars. EOQ helps them stay lean. Or think about a manufacturer. If they order raw materials too often in small batches, they're paying transaction fees constantly. EOQ helps them find the order size that keeps production running without bleeding money on ordering costs. Even small business owners, a bakery, a retail shop, an e-commerce seller can use EOQ to make smarter buying decisions. The core idea is simple. Stop guessing. Let the math guide your ordering decisions. Part 5. Limitations of EOQ. Now, to be fair, EOQ is a model, and like all models, it makes some assumptions. It assumes demand is constant, meaning you sell the same amount every month. But in real life, demand fluctuates. You might sell way more coffee in winter than summer. It also assumes ordering and holding costs stay fixed. In reality, suppliers change prices, shipping rates go up, and storage costs vary. So EOQ gives you a great starting point, but smart businesses pair it with safety stock, demand forecasting, and regular reviews. We'll cover those topics in future videos. And that's EOQ, Economic Order Quantity, explained in plain English. To summarize, EOQ helps you find the optimal order size by balancing ordering costs and holding costs. Use the formula, square root of 2ds over h, plug in your numbers, and you've got your sweet,